Have to take up struggle, but first we will see what is the response to our proposals, and then the struggle. We are not for struggle, we are for the rights and for now this. So everywhere, whether it is a house compensation or boat compensation, this is replacement value is missing. The Kacha house severely damaged is 5,000. The difference is also not acceptable. So it is very clear that the compensation rates must be reviewed. I am sure the big companies and the big families will get enough of compensation, as it always happens. In Narmada, you see, now we are getting the orders of the grievance redressal authority for the flood that is due to dam. I will come to that. How much is the cyclone natural calamity and how much is it human-made calamity? But in that dam-affected region, again, we decided, we surveyed, we put forth all the data, and the authority, the former justice, could not deny. Here also, I think all organizations must have their own complete data, loss assessment, and produce it before the government and let the government respond. We have first given this letter to the collector yesterday, and we have said that this must be responded to, and he had a very cordial dialogue with us. CM had insulted them. So that is why we went to the collector. We left Chandrababu on his own, but we said that, and he has promised that he would forward it, and he had promised that every suggestion of ours in this 5-page letter which we wrote sitting there itself would be responded to.